If you hate Jesus, then just keep scrolling. But if you love Jesus, then stick around and watch until the end. God is saying to you today, wait with me for a while. I have much to tell you. You are walking along the path I have chosen for you. It is both a privileged and a perilous way. Experiencing my glorious presence and heralding that reality to others. Sometimes you feel presumptuous to be carrying out such an assignment. Do not worry about what other people think of you. The work I am doing in you is hidden at first, but eventually blossoms will burst forth and abundant fruit will be born. Stay on the path of life with me. Trust me wholeheartedly, letting my spirit fill you with joy and peace. Type 2222 to claim it. God says, thankfulness opens the door to my presence. Though I am always with you, I have gone to great measures to preserve your freedom of choice. I have placed a door between you and me, and I have empowered you to open or close that door. There are many ways to open it, but a grateful attitude is one of the most effective. Thankfulness is built on a substructure of trust. When thankful words stick in your throat, you need to check up on your foundation of trust. When fullness flows freely from your heart and lips. Let your gratitude draw you closer to me. I want you to learn the art of giving thanks in all circumstances. See how many times you can thank me daily. This will awaken your awareness to a multitude of blessings. It will also cushion the impact of trials when they come against you. Practice my presence by practicing the discipline of thankfulness. Like this video if you have a belief in God. God says today, in my presence, there is fullness of joy. As you peer into my presence, remembering who I am in all my power and glory ponder, also my eternal commitment to you. Nothing in all creation will ever be able to separate you from me. Your relationship with me has been rock solid secure ever since you confessed your sinfulness and received my forgiveness. You are my beloved in whom I delight. This is your permanent identity. You can find joy even in this broken world because I have set eternity in your heart. Spend time refreshing yourself in my presence, where you can relax and learn to delight yourself in me above all else. As the love bonds between us grow stronger, so does your desire to help others enjoy this amazing life you have found in me. When your love for me overflows into other people's lives, there is abundant joy, both in heaven and on earth. As you go along this path of life, I will lead you, and I'll bless you with pleasures forevermore. Type yes if you feel this. God is saying to you today, when you are plagued by a persistent problem, one that goes on and on, view it as a rich opportunity, an ongoing ongoing problem is like a tutor who is always by your side. The learning possibilities are limited only by your willingness to be teachable. In faith, thank me for your problem. Ask me to open your eyes and your heart to all that I'm accomplishing through this difficulty. Once you have become great, full for a problem, it loses its power to drag you down. On the contrary, your thankful attitude will lift you up into heavenly places with me. From this perspective, your difficulty can be seen as a slight, temporary distress that is producing for you a transcendent glory never to cease. Type, I am ready to shine, to affirm. Universe says, the peace that I give you transcends your intellect. When most of your mental energy goes into efforts to figure things out, you are unable to receive this glorious gift. I look into your mind and see thoughts spinning round and round, going nowhere, accomplishing nothing. All the while my peace hovers over you, searching for a place to land. Be still in my presence, inviting me to control your thoughts. Let my light soak into your mind and heart until you are aglow with my very being. This is the most effective way to receive my peace. Type, I'm God's child to claim it.
God says, stop complaining, stop overthinking. You are stressing yourself too much, and instead you should trust in me. Where is your trust in me? I love you. I won't let you down. Stay patient. My timing is perfect. I have something bigger planned for you. And trust me, you are going to love it. Remember these 4 things. 1. I will make a way for you. 2. I am fighting your battles. 3. Prayer is the best medicine. 4. Trust my timing.